Hello and welcome to the channel again. My name is Melissa and today we are in my good friend Melissa's kitchen. She is my babysitter and she's really amazing and I love her. And we decided that it'd be super fun to make some recipe videos together. So we're sticking true to the channel name and today we're in Melissa's kitchen. And we're making this delicious Earl Grey tea cake. She had this a few years ago at a little party and she has been wanting to make it again because it tasted amazing. So we're going to show you how to make this delicious cake. It's actually really easy. There's not too many ingredients. So we are going to start by adding 1 cup of softened butter to our stand mixer bowl. And we're just going to cream that. And then we're going to slowly add in 1 1/3 cup of sugar. And then we're going to scrape down the sides of our bowl. This is going to be something we do a few times throughout the cake making process, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. And next we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of the tea powder from some Earl Grey tea packets. You can use a double Earl Grey tea or just a regular Earl Grey tea. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, we're going to scrape the sides of the bowl. And then we're going to be adding 5 eggs and we're going to add them 1 at a time, making sure to mix each egg before we add the next one in. And once again, we're going to scrape the sides of the bowl. And next we're going to add in our flour just a little bit at a time. We have 2 cups of flour going in. And we actually forgot to add our 1 teaspoon of salt to the flour before we mixed it in. So when you make your Earl Grey tea cake, you can add your salt into the flour. But we're going to add ours in afterward because we forgot. And we're going to do 1 last bowl scrape and another mixing just to make sure everything is well incorporated. And now it's time to grease our pan. We're going to use a bundt pan today, but you can use any kind of pan you like. And we're going to pour in our batter. And we're just going to smooth that down a little bit, make sure it's nice and even. And then it's ready to go into our oven. Our oven has been preheating at 325 and we're going to bake this for 1 hour. And there's what our beautiful cake looks like right out of the oven. And And then we're going to use a knife to help separate it from the pan. And we actually had a little oopsie. Some of our cake got left in the pan, but that's okay because we're about to make some frosting, and that is going to cover up all those little cracks. All right, to start our frosting, we have to heat up some milk. We have half a cup of milk here, and we heated it up in the microwave. You can do it on the stove if you need to. And then we're going to take 3 of our Earl Grey tea bags and let that steep for about 15 minutes. And there's what it looks like after 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to take 4 ounces of that liquid and put it in a bowl to be added to our frosting. Alright, so first we're going to add 2 tablespoons of softened butter to our mixing bowl. Then the 4 ounces of the milk tea liquid. And 2 cups of confectioners sugar. And we're going to beat that until there are no buttery lumps and we have a nice smooth glaze. And it should look something like that, nice and smooth, and we're going to add it to a piping bag. We don't have a piping bag today, so we're going to use a Ziploc bag, and we're just going to snip a little bit off the tip. And as we glaze our beautiful tea cake, we're just going to start at the crown of the cake and let that just drizzle down each side. And we're also going to make sure and use plenty of frosting to cover up those beautiful little cracks that we made. You know, that's what a good frosting is for covering up our little mistakes and creating just a really beautiful, delicious dessert. All right, guys, we had a ton of fun making this video for you. We had a ton of fun eating this delicious cake, and it's got me thinking about what other kind of tea cakes I could make. Like, what other tea flavors are there that I might enjoy in a cake? It's got me thinking about maybe like a Thai cake or something. So anyway, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel because we have got some more delicious bakes and other recipes that we want to share with you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.